And now, for the very first time, my team and I are going to teach you everything we know about how to build an 8-figure business online and provide you a simple, turnkey suite of marketing tools that I've used for years to build my 8-figure network marketing business online. It is very easy to use, yet extremely powerful. For building any home-based business, this system will generate you leads, traffic, and ultimately a ton of sales without ever having to leave the comfort of home, talking to your friends or family, or make a single cold call ever. That's a promise. On the coaching side of this program, you can look over our shoulders and copy exactly what we do with the system to make you money and build your primary network marketing business online. You will be able to follow our footprints that we have laid in the sand. Success leaves clues. Follow our lead and use our suite of tools, and I guarantee you will have more leads and new downline members than you could have ever imagined. Plus, I'm going to show you how you can build multiple streams of income by becoming an instant, rapid reseller of our system, where we will pay you an unheard of 100% commission on all product sales that you make with your team. It's a radical comp plan that pays both on unlimited width and depth. So let me turn things over to our marketing director, Alona, and she will show you exactly what this system is and how our very unique, guaranteed 100% commissions comp plan works. Alona, over to you.
Thanks, Joel. The biggest thing you need to build a business is traffic and an endless supply of it. After all, you can have the best opportunity in the world, but if no one sees it, it really doesn't matter. We'll show you how to do that. But first, let me explain the amazing system we built for you so you know where we'll be driving traffic to. Making an amazing income online is simple when you let us build that system for you. It's a simple equation of traffic sent to your high-converting lead capture page equals an endless supply of hot qualified leads for your home-based business, which equals a true lifelong residual income so that you can spend more time with friends and family. The very first tool in your pure leverage marketing suite you'll need is a very high-quality designed lead capture system. If you're terrible at web design, if you hate all the techie stuff, and your skills in ad copy are, well, less than desirable, then worry no more. Our team of marketing specialists, along with Joel's experience and guidance, have put together what is unquestionably the best converting opt-in pages online. This system will automatically capture the name, email, and if you want a phone number of people who are interested in joining your home-based business opportunity. Once you register a prospect, the system comes with a pre-written autoresponder series written by our ad copy and marketing specialists specifically to get your prospects to know, like, and trust who you are. When your prospects come to trust you, they'll naturally want to buy from you and join your team. The second thing Joel's used to build an 8-figure business that we build for you is your very own personal and very professional authority blog and website. We'll also teach you how to blog and when to blog your personal brand. Trust me, once you brand yourself as an authority figure, people will be magnetically attracted to you. Once that happens, you're truly set for life, regardless of what opportunities you decide to become involved in. In recent years, blogging has created more millionaires than almost anything else online. With your blog, we'll teach you exactly step-by-step how to become the leader and the authority with the leads you've generated with your lead capture system. You simply blog about your opportunity 3 times a week, then send an email to your list inviting them to come and comment on your new blog post. Don't worry about how to build your blog or get it live, because we'll do that for you. It's the most professional blog that converts. You're going to love it. Google and all the other major search engines love blogs and other user-generated content in that blog. Blogging alone will generate you a ton of traffic, but why stop at a ton of traffic when we'll show you how to get a ton more? Our in-house marketing team, along with Joel, will show you step-by-step how and where to get the best quality traffic to your site. There's a lot of fraud out there when it comes to traffic. You'll get direct access to the Rolodex of traffic providers that Joel and his team of almost 100 staff have used to get our sites ranked in the top 1,000 in the world, out of 375 million websites online. Just look at the Alexa rank of some of our sites. If you're unaware of what Alexa is, it's a third-party site started by Amazon, which ranks websites based on traffic and popularity. You'll see that our traffic is massive, and we rank in the top 0.0001% of the best out there. We will again show you how to get this type of traffic with your own business. And no, our Rolodex is not solely Facebook and Google, although we will show you how to get cheap yet high-quality traffic from them as well. Remember, the profit equation is simple when you start to get massive traffic to high-quality offer. Traffic sent to your high-converting lead capture page equals an endless supply of hot qualified leads for your home-based business. So now that you have the traffic sent to your high-converting lead capture pages and your professional blog, your leads list will grow and your downline will build itself. It's then time to keep your team motivated by leveraging the power of our video email service. You simply choose your template, record your video, and send your video message to your whole team with one click of the mouse directly to their inbox, or by posting it on your blog. Making yourself available to your team with a pre-recorded video provides the best form of communication. Plus, because they're pre-recorded, you can set up a series of motivational messages for your team while you're away on holiday. Set it up once and simply forget about it. Let our technology do all the work for you so you're personally leveraged to do what you want when you want. That's the power of the Pure Leverage marketing system. A great video allows your downline members and leads to come to know you at their convenience. You may shoot your video at noon today, but a team member in Singapore may only watch it at 3 a.m. your time. This is the real power of leveraging our technology. You build your brand and your downline while you sleep. A picture may say 1,000 words, while a video says 1,000,000 more. As we all know, gone are the days of hotel meetings for live presentations in the network marketing industry, especially when you use the power of the Pure Leverage marketing suite of tools. As your team grows exponentially and globally, you'll find your Pure Leverage recruiting and live meeting room will be one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. This amazing system allows you to communicate in real-time audio and video, conduct presentations, share your desktop or files with all your attendees. The best part is your attendees will be able to join your live meetings with just a PC and internet connection. There's nothing like live yet convenient interaction with your international team and your prospects to keep your downline motivated and exploding.